Hi, my name is Vincent Mattis and I welcome you on this introduction tutorial. I am very excited to share with you the unique features of our long-range Ethernet technology, our products, applications and the vertical markets we develop. We will also share case studies and success stories as well as customer testimonials. Today I will frame you the objectives of a series of tutorials that will cover many aspects and challenges within the security and telecommunication industry. And more importantly, the answer we INTERCOAX offer you by means of the most extensive long-range Ethernet product offer today available on the market. INTERCOAX offers you a portfolio of more than 50 long-range Ethernet products, ranging from single-channel transceivers to 19-inch multi-port managed and unmanaged receiver switches. We will zoom into all of the products in a practical and demonstrative way, one by one. Don't recable, re-enable. This is the main message throughout the upcoming tutorials. We will offer you all insights in long-range Ethernet by demonstrating you the capabilities of transmitting any data over any cable to distances up to 2.4 kilometers. Did I say 2.4 kilometers? You bet! That is the data transmission range our long-range Ethernet technology offers you today. And what about power? Our transmission technology includes 60 watts PoE budget for your IP end devices. In fact, I should say any IP devices for both analog to IP migration or new to build sites. Our INTERCOAX long-reach Ethernet lineup is the most cost-effective choice for IP cameras, voice over IP, IP intercom and public address, digital signage, nurse call audio, Wi-Fi antennas, or any other IP end device. To make sure you do not miss any of our upcoming tutorials, please click the link below and subscribe to our channel. This way you will be noticed on the next tutorials we bring online. To start, we will be covering following tutorials. First, we will be giving you an insight in our company, our background, and what we stand for, as well as the vertical markets we serve. The next session will handle infrastructure, cabling, and the associated challenges when using conventional Ethernet. The third tutorial is all about the LRE technology, its unique performances and capabilities, the topologies, and the applications. From tutorial 4 and onwards, we offer you our product trainings and workshops. We will start with our Ethernet over coax products, both managed and unmanaged. In session 5, we will be handling all of our Ethernet products using twisted pair cabling, where in 6, we offer you our product training and workshop on Ethernet over telephone cable and to wire. In session 7, we will cover our managed receiver switches. We definitely highly recommend this training and workshop. Our accessory products will be handled in tutorial 8, followed by case studies and customer testimonials in session 9. To support you in terms of your sales development, we will introduce you in session 10 the tools and programs we have developed. We will explain you how we manage project registration, as well as how you can benefit from our free available proof of concept test materials. In session 11, we will share tips with you, tips that will allow you to generate more leads, which will convert into more project sales. By using our long-range Ethernet technology, you will definitely be able to save up to 60% on deployment costs. We at INTERCOAX are convinced that this series of tutorials and workshops with practical shown applications and configurations will be a great asset to help you generate more business. This by having a cost and time-effective offer that largely surpasses the conventional 95-meter Ethernet limitations. To share all this information with you is very exciting. The tutorials will be mind-blowing for most of you who are not yet familiar with long-range Ethernet. By subscribing to our tutorials, you will be offered a deeper knowledge on long-range Ethernet, our products, their performances, as well as the knowledge how to assess a site in terms of cable infrastructure, how to build your proposal, and how to install our products. To make sure you will be noticed on our next tutorial, do please click on the below subscription button. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in our next tutorial.